Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. In this training video, we'll explore the AI Image Generator. It's a powerful tool for creating stunning videos in just a few clicks. So to begin, log into your dashboard, select the AI Image from the menu. This tool makes it easy for you to create custom images for any purpose from marketing to creative projects. Now, start by describing the image you want to create. Now, in my case, I wanted to have a happy business person using AI Toolkit Online on a laptop sitting outside on a mountaintop. You have a choice to use DALI or Stable Diffusion. What's the difference? Stable Diffusion usually gives you more accurate results, but your cost per image is higher. So for most uses, you'll want to use DALI E, which in most cases will do just fine. If you look at the image generator options down below, there are several options to select from. You can sketch to image, so you can take a sketch and have AI created a really realistic image from it. You can replace your background, so it will simply take your background and replace it with another image. You can reimagine different variants based on the initial output. You can also remove the background so that you can insert the forefront image into another image editing program. You can upscale and you can remove text from the image. So let's go ahead and hit create, see what it does for us. All right. Here you go. This is a happy business person using AI Toolkit Online on a laptop while sitting on the mountaintops. Now, you can also download the image. You can also view the image in large screen, and you can see the credit and the resolution that was added. So as you can see, just one credit, and you have an awesome, awesome picture. So anyway, that is the AI image generator that you can use. Now, a lot of people have asked me about, okay, so this is saved. So where is it saved? If you go into the documents section, which is where all of your content is saved, you can see the new image here and you can select it as a favorite. You can also move to a particular folder once you create your folders. So that is the AI image generator.